early in the morning here at St. George, Utah. They offer free breakfast from 6 to 9 in the morning.
Doon, no? Diba?
Yes. Yes. Good morning. McDonald's is already open. Yeah, you see? It's open already, me. 6 o'clock. Good morning. 6 o'clock, right? It's open at 6?
Yeah.
The breakfast, right?
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
Oh, what time is it now? Few more minutes?
Yeah, about 15 minutes.
15 more minutes? Yeah, okay, we'll wait.
13 minutes?
30 minutes, yeah. We'll wait. We will wait, my friend.
Coffee's open if you want that.
We're ready. Oh, coffee, yeah.
But the two big.
Okay, will do, thank you. Yeah, coffee is ready. Or tea. Mommy can take tea. Coffee. So, oh yeah, dahil ano eh. Yeah, drink cups we dispense automatically enjoy. They offer free breakfast. Wow. Coffee Americana. Yan, magtigan naman. May yung ano ko, tungkot ko. They're done, not yet. Done. Tapos dito ka na mag-ano eh. Nag-working kita niya ako. Ito, ano lang ito? Yan. This is the best coffee. The best coffee in town. Yeah, for you. Sit down. Have a seat, yeah? I'll make one more. Chocolate premium coffee. And then cafe American with sugar. Okay. Wow, ang galing, no? Kasi Dudon hindi kaya na Dudon yan. May oatmeal yan, may. That's an oatmeal. Sit down. They offer free breakfast here, so I have to take advantage of it. Why not? Juice. May they have orange juice. Yan, maganda. Orange juice. Why not? Cafe Americano. Sarap pala yung Cafe Americano.
Ito.
Fresh coffee. What na?
Kasi nagagawa na ng kape.
Huwag muna yan. Kakain pa tayo eh.
Para maano ka.
Nakakakain ko yun. Okay. Magawa ng kape, no? No, it's a beans and then they make coffee. Wow, the best pala ito.
Parang kaya nasta ka, yan, ano, hindi na nga kailangan ng
Sana kagabi pala dito pumunta. Ano yan eh, 24 hours yan eh.
yung kape.
Yeah, oo. Sana kagabi.
Hindi.
We're not going to...
Kahapon pala, pwede rin tayo umuwi. Hindi man na tayo namas para natulog lang tayo dito.
Bayad na eh. At
Eh,
least,
oo nga.
at least nakanood tayo ng tram. Tapos nervous tayo. Grabe ang nervous ko. Saan gumagano ko, may init kami oh.
Natatawa ko. Kaya, alam mo, ikaw ang inaano, ako ang inaano mo. Nanonood ako. Panay dududun mo sa akin ng nanay.
Thank you. It's ready?
Yes.
Okay.